Dear students, today's topic is number system conversion. Today we are converting any base to decimal number system. That means on the left hand side we may have any base. It may be binary, it may be octal, or it may be hexadecimal number system, and we want to convert these bases into decimal number system. That means base is 10. So first of all we start with the binary to decimal number system. Suppose we have a binary number 10111.1101 base 2, as it is a binary number system, and we want to convert this number system into decimal number system. That means base 10. First of all we treat the integral portion and then we treat the fractional portion. In case of the integral portion we start from this direction to this direction, that means in the left hand direction, whereas for the fractional part we move in the right hand direction. Each digit of the binary number is multiplied by the weight assigned to it. As this is the location, the weight assigned to this location is 2 raised to power 0. Weight assigned to the next location is 2 raised to power 1. For the next location it will be 2 raised to power 2. For this 0, 2 raised to power 3, and for this it is 2 raised to power 4. So these are the weights assigned to these weights, whereas for the case of fractional part the weight assigns are in the negative power 2 raised to power minus 1. The second is 2 raised to power minus 2. This location is having the weight 2 raised to power minus 3, and this last one is having the weight 2 raised to power minus 4. We have to multiply the digit by the weight assigned to it. So first we start with the integral portion. This one into 2 raised to power 0. The weight assigned to this one is 2 raised to power 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 0, and the weight is 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3. This is done with the integral part. Now for the fractional part we have 1 into 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 4. Now we have to simplify it. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 2 square is 4 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 raised to power 4 is 16 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 1 by 4 plus 0 into something is 0 plus 1 by 2 raised to power 4 is your 16. Now we add the integral portion. 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 23 plus 1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 by 4 is 0.25 plus 1 by 16 is 0.0625. Now we add all these numbers. The answer will be 23.8125. This is all about conversion from binary number system to decimal number system. We multiply each digit by its corresponding weight. Similarly, we can convert an octal number system into decimal number system. Suppose we have an octal number 421.71, base is 8, and we want to convert this number into decimal number system. So we again start with 1 into, now the weight is 8 raised to power 0 plus 2 into 8 raised to power 1 plus 4 into 8 raised to power 2 plus 7 into 8 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 into 8 raised to power minus 2. Now we simplify this. 1 plus 16 plus 4 into 64 is 256 plus 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8 square, that is 64. Now on simplification, integral part will become 273 plus 7 by 8 is 0.875 and 1 by 64 is 0.0156, and when we add this number we will get 273.8906, and the number is in decimal number system. In case of binary number system, the weight assigns are in the power of 2, 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1. But in case of octal number system, the weight assigns are in the power of 8, 8 raised to power 0, 8 raised to power 1. Similarly, we can convert hexadecimal number system into decimal number system. Suppose we have hexadecimal number system A23.4b. It is in hexadecimal number system and we want to convert this number into decimal number system. Again, we treat the integer in the left hand direction and the fractional part move in the right hand direction and multiply each digit by the weight assigned to it. Now the weight assigned are in the power of 16. So here 3 into 16 raised to power 0 plus 2 into 16 raised to power 1 plus a. A means 10 into 16 raised to power 2 plus 4 into 16 raised to power minus 1. Fractional part is there plus b. B is 11 into 16 raised to power minus 2. Now we simplify them. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. The 3 into 1 is 3. 16 to the 32. 16 square is 256 into 10 is 2560 plus 4 by 16 plus 11 by 256. Now we add the integral part. It will be 2595 plus 4 by 16 is 0.25 and 11 by 256 is 0.0429. You can use calculator for all these calculations. Now sum of all these number is 2595.2929 and the result is in decimal number system. This is all about how we convert any base. It may be binary, it may be octal, it may be hexadecimal, or it may be any base. It may be base 5, 6 or whatever. You can convert that number into decimal number system. Just you have to multiply each and every digit by the weight assigned to that particular system. Thank you.